A parliamentary storm is brewing in Zimbabwe as ministers are accused of prioritizing President Mnangagwa's events over their legislative duties, sparking calls for the president to be summoned to parliament to answer questions. Sanapinda mashoko atona kuti vakomana vana Jacob Mudenda aiwa panguva inoi vatanga vataka mutungamiri wenyika pamwe chete nemaministers vachiti aiwa why is it maministers aiwa kwangonzi mutungamiri wenyika ari kuprick farm votonanga ikoko kunyange vasina kukokwa votoenda vachinoatenda but kuonekwa kunzi pane basa rakavamirira vanoda kuti vaatende muparliament iro ravari kusinamba aiwa vasingaatende maparliamentary meetings. Sarapira mashoko amudanyiro panapa subscribe like out on the bell icon tipinda panapa panhau renehanda redu amudanyira vachiti opposition lawmakers including the speaker of parliament Jacob Mudenda himself have criticized the ministers of sabotaging parliament by prioritizing the president's events over their legislative duties. According to reports, 16 cabinet ministers and 15 deputy ministers were absent from Wednesday's parliamentary session, with some claiming to be attending to national assignments outside the country. Mudenda described the situation as a very unusual. I have received a very unusual list of apologies in terms of the number from the executive. I am informed some ministers are outside the country, including the leader of government business. Others are on national duty in Victoria Falls and elsewhere, but there is no excuse for deputies not to be here totally. There is no excuses, he stated. The opposition has called for President to be summoned to Parliament to answer questions, citing a provision in the Constitution that allows for such an interface. Ndo mashoko atona kuti aiwa nyange nomutungamiri wenyika aiwa onzi ngamboya ambobvunzwa maquestions nokuda kuti aiwa vanhu varikuona kuti magovernment maparliamentary meetings haachatobudiriri nokuda kuti some other guys they are not attending aiwa maevents awa. Todze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section menu, subscribe or like, short on the bell icon.